Okay, next one. Look, she's getting a haircut. What happens next? Look at the picture. Okay, put it on the correct answer.
You got it.
Good job. Let's go to the next one. What do you see?
A sand.
Sandcastle?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so what happens next? Good job. What's that? What is that?
Sugar bowl and strawberry.
Okay, so what happens next? Push it on the black dot, the answer. Good job. So you made a strawberry cake.
Uh-huh.